Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 3rd, 2022. Rivian, yeah, the stock is down bad. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. You guys can visually tell from my price chart that this market is down bad. So what is the potential for us to see some upward movement? Is it right now, or are we still going to see the price in Rivian continue to go lower? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. You guys can go back and look at my channel and see all of my price predictions, being fully transparent, showing you all when I get my price predictions right and also when I get them wrong, because I want to show you that you can do this for yourself without being complicated. So you guys appreciate it. Welcome to the community. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to our channel so that you can learn as much as possible so that you can do this for yourself. Now, look at this. I did a video in Rivian on the 6th of January, right? I was telling you all then, look, yeah, we may even see the market in Rivian continue to make all-time lows, and that's literally has been the case. Today, we want to figure out, can we still make all-time lows, or is the bottom in the market and we can see the potential upward movement? What do you all think? Every price bar we see on this price chart tells you what the market is thinking. Right, we saw this market in Rivian when it first launched back here in November. We've already seen on the low, this price lose around 72-73%. Yeah, already. This is why I'm trying to tell you that this stock is down bad. So if anything, you got 20.25% out the market in Rivian right here on the 19th. Did a video on the 5th. Okay. And then if you were to get out on the close of yesterday, it's around 28%. I mean, we shouldn't be surprised, especially if you saw this video back on the 5th of January, that the price in Rivian is weak. So, question, let's try to figure this out. You guys can see on a daily time frame that this market in Rivian is creating areas of support, right? We trade sideways, we break down. Trade sideways, we break down. So this market is stair-stepping. We're going to have to utilize this as our way to figure out, okay, where's the buyers, where are the sellers, okay? Now, generally, this is not a buyer's market. When you are in free fall, this is not a buyer's market. It kind of resembles Robinhood's price chart. There's nothing but weakness here. This is not a buyer's market because price hasn't found a bottom yet. And we are not the ones to try to come in and time the market. When it's weak, it's weak. And we don't need to come in and try to dispel and show you anything different. Okay. So can we see the potential recovery in the market in Rivian? Yeah, we can, but first, we got to see this market break this downtrend first. We got to see the market do this. We have to break it. Whether we break it sideways or whether we break it upward, we have to see that first. So let's try to see if we're going to get that soon. Let's look at the market in Rivian on a 3-day. Okay. Now, the last 3-day price bar was fantastic. Like, this gives us an indication that the market is trying to find a bottom. Yeah, they are. They're trying to find it, but there's a lot of volatility in the space, and any inkling of some type of economic news or something negative that the market receives in Rivian, it won't take us long for us to continue to make all-time lows. I'm here to tell you that right now, considering the overall environment and what this market has done thus far in Rivian. This is on a weekly time frame. Yeah, you let me know. I mean, do you think this market is ready to break out? You think it's going to continue to make all-time lows? We got to get prepared for this type of information. Weekly time frame. 2 weeks, I mean. This is the monthly time frame here in the market in Rivian. You let me know, is this a buyer's market? Would you want to come in and buy this market right now? Or do you think we need to wait? 2-day time frame. Let's look at this on an hourly basis. Yeah, this market is weak here in Rivian. Let me show you this. I think you all can see these areas to which we can see the market move up, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be a necessary buy, right? Especially right here around $88. That's an area of us to know whether or not the market in Rivian is a buy or a sell. And this area right around here, we're trying to see these bottoms to where the market in Rivian tries to come through and hold support. Okay, and then we got this next level right there to where the market recently just got rejected. So these three levels are all barriers that's going to restrict Rivian's price movement higher. Okay, and we don't ever see the price in Rivian trade above these levels. We already know where we are going to go. Yeah, we're going to continue to trade sideways, or we're going to continue to go lower. We will either do this, or we're going to continue to do this. Continue to go all the way down, right? So let's see what we got. Because this is not a buyer's market here in Rivian. We're going to continue to play some weakness here into the market in Rivian until we see this market first has to break above $71.50. Second area is around $77.25. Okay, I'm just going to leave that there for right now, before we can show you all these restriction points and how to play the market weakness here in Rivian. Okay, so I think you guys can see it. Price don't ever trade above these two horizontal lines. We already know where the market is going, right? We already know. So now you guys can see it from a daily basis. Let me get rid of this. And I'm going to hold this one here because I really want us to make sure if Rivian ever breaks above that level. I'm going to bring it up here. I like it up there. I want us to follow this level. Okay. So this is it. This is my newest price prediction. I'm still playing the weakness here into the market in Rivian until we start to see either we start to trade sideways, right? Then it lets me know that the market is buying, and we continue to see this. And then the prospect of us continuing to break down and make all-time lows is becoming less and less likely. I need to start seeing that. Until we do, we understand that this market is in a massive downtrend right now, and we haven't found the bottom yet. So I'm going to continue to play the weakness here into the market in Rivian. I'm just going to look forward to try to come down here close to this area, a bottom that occurred on the 28th of January. Okay, right around here. I would definitely TP out the market right here on the open, which is around 16.45%, which is around $53.60. That's my first price target. And then my second one is over here on the low of the 28th of January. Okay, so that's it right there. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know, what do y'all think about the price in Rivian? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Give me your perception. Give me your prediction. Give me your price target. And I'm done. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.